You like it?
Say
It's
hi.
delicious.
Mara o Kaya?
This is Maya.
O Queen?
Maka.
Ang tawag mo kasi?
Kaya Maka. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 20, 21, 22,
30!
41, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 30.
50! It's 50!
It's 30.
It's 50!
Yeah, it's 50. Okay, you can have it.
Yeah.
It's my treasure. It's my treasure. You have to keep it safe.
Okay.
Ito po kasi, sabi niya, gusto niya daw to. This is in my pocket for a while now. Galing po to kay
You're not
Ate.
showing it.
I'm showing it to them. This is Ate Chichi's drawing. She gave it to me while I'm in the Philippines. And this is my treasure. And you want it, and I'm going to give it to you. Make sure you don't lose it, okay? Okay? I love you. Make me like that too, okay? Make something for me, okay? What are you doing? It's not food. It's not food. Boo! So many. Para pong divisoria.
Bumili natin kay Mangga. Bumili muna tayo. Saka tayo.
And Philippine flag is next to the Canada flag.
Yeah, so many flags.
A flag, Mom, I said dry.
Look at Mars bling bling.
Hello? Hello? Yes. Tapos na kayo? Nasa car na kami. O nasa car na din kami na antay namin. Saan ka dita? Okay. Liko tayo sa? Hindi, naliko ka na.
You love it so much.
Shepherd.
Can you
Shepherd.
try?
Tapos butters. Alam mo yan yung...
Wow! Oh, it turned blue. It's blue, then it turned different.
Sa butters, saan ka dita?
You wear it, it will be turned blue.
Guess what color is my
Which is your favorite?
favorite?
Look at Mara soaking. When Mara is losing with black paper shoe, rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Someone is sulking. Sulking. I wanna show you guys my ring.
No, that's my ring.
Sorry, it's Mara's ring. Wow, my word is... I wanna show you my new bracelet.
That's mine.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
That's my bracelet.
No, it's mine.
Okay.
I bought it.
Ah, you bought it?
No, Mom and Tata bought it.
Yeah, but I have one too. Look, papakita ko po sa inyo ang aking new bracelet.
I want to try again rock, paper.
Yeah.
I want to try again rock, paper, scissors. But this time, it has a new thing to add. It's this.
Okay.
Do it. Hey. Rock, paper, scissors.
You're delaying. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. What's that?
You can cut that. That's a rock.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock,
Hey,
paper.
we forgot to pick stuff.
Okay, I pick one. Where's the stones?
Okay, let's try. This one to smell.
Go there.
Smell. You wanna smell it? Ay, shush. Kasama po namin si Mindy. Ay, shush. Take a picture with me. Mama. You like tulips or cherry blossom?
That's the tulip.
Yeah.
And this is the cherry.
Both is beautiful in their own way, right?
How was
Today, ang ating menu is baked macaroni. It's a baked macaroni. Tapos, si Mama po ay nanonood ng New Amsterdam. Siya po ay nahilig ngayon. Pinapanood po namin siya kasi po, nung andito siya, ito ang kwento. Nung andito po siya sa Canada, pinapanood niya sa Pilipinas kasi nasa YouTube po yun. Medyo toxic. Hindi na wala ng problema. Tsaka medyo violent. Sorry for sa mga nanonood. Pero medyo ganun po yung tema. Sabi ko, gusto mong manood ng Annie Dan E. Pinanood po namin siya ng Annie Dan E. Tapos, 3 season natapos niya. Teka po, at ako yan. Uy. Sige, dal. Wait po. Seryoso ang nanay ko ah. Maganda ma? Siya mismo? Tingnan mo po ang prutas niya. Ayan o. Favorite plum. Tapos, nahilig sa chichi. Ngayon po, hindi na namin siya binibilihan. Ito na lang, mixed nuts. Different kinds of seeds yan. Tapos, ito dried fruits. Tapos, what's this? Dried na, I think it's a, di ko alam po, peaches. Tapos yung isa po yung almond na chocolate. Sarap ng panood Malamig po ngayon. Yan. Sarap ng panood ng nanay ko. Ayan na po ang aking sauce. Si Bunso po, ang spaghetti namin, hindi gaanong matamis. Hindi po siya sweet. Yung medyo maasim-asim. Kaya lang ito, sabi ko, iniisip ko po, baka, di ba, may kasama tayong may gusto ng matamis. Ginawa ko po, meeting halfway na lang, mag-meet halfway na lang. May kaunting hint ng tamis. Hindi na maasim, hindi naman yung matamis na matamis. Yan ang ating sauce. Nilagyan ko na po yan ng ganare para medyo cheesy ang dating. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng milk. Tapos yan na, medyo iaano ko lang po siya. Tapos isasama ko na yan dito. Ito po ginawa ko, 4 minutes pa lang. Tinanggal ko na yung apoy. Tapos ayan, ginaganyan-ganyan ko na lang siya. Kasi po lulutuin pa naman natin siya. Tapos ibibake pa po, diba? Ayan, napisik-pisik. Ayan. Malamig po ngayon bigla kasi umuulan tsaka mahangin. Kahapon po napakaganda ng panahon. Nawalk po ko po si Mindy ng twice, isang umaga, tas hapon nagwalk ulit kami kasi may appointment siya for vaccine. Si Mindy po yung dog ni ate. Nawindang po ako sa binayaran ng ate ko. Nasa 400 plus Canadian dollars. Ano po yun? 2 shots ng vaccines. Tapos medyo may scratchy po yung tenga, laboratory $90 plus. Yung titingnan lang po yung swab, titingnan sa microscope, that is 90. Tapos yung gamot plus yung dalawa niya na for ticks kasi nga po 'di ba malapit na mag summertime. So ticks ang inaano nila. Yung sa heartworm ata. Parang sa ticks po ata. Kasi nga yung mga Lyell disease, something like that. Basta bang binayaran natin, 400 plus. Tapos nakita yung, because Mindy is already 9, around 8 or 9 years old. So, yung ngipin po niya, syempre talagang meron ng mga tartar, ganyan-ganyan. In-estimate na po yung kanya. 1,000 plus po daw ang paglinis ng ngipin and all. So, for Mindy's teeth is good pa. Wala pa naman yung kailangan bunutin, ganyan. Diba po? Kaya sabi ni ate kay Bunso, never get a dog. Kasi, tingnan mo, talagang magastos po. Diba? Tsaka yung you have to walk her or him every day. Diba? Kasi wala naman talagang ground na po maaanuhan. Hawawa din yung dog, diba? Kailangan mo talagang, tsaka talang barang bata. Parang ganun din po sa Pilipinas, diba? If you're serious with your pets, parang kang may anak. Mas matindi pa kasi they cannot fend for themselves. 'Di ba? Pero hanga pa ako sa mga Canadian. They love dogs. Dami pong may dogs. Sarap mag-walk kasi marami kang makakasalubong na nag-walk din ng dogs nila. Nakakatuwa po. Ayan po, luto na. Ito yung white sauce. Ito po yung kanyang pinaka-pasta with beef. Beef lang po nilagay niyan. Tapos ito po yung sa ibabaw. Mozzarella cheese and cheddar with milk. Bechamel po. Parang bechamel. Tapos ibibake natin siya. Yan. Dinagdagan ko po ng alat kasi feeling ko matatabangan sila. Diba po? Pero matabang din naman po sila. Si ate po ayos din lang naman tingin ko kaya naman. Carry naman. Makikerry naman siguro. This is it, pansit. Look, who's eating my baked macaroni?
It's Kaya.
It's Kaya. You like it?
Say
It's
hi.
delicious.
Mara o Kaya?
This is Maya.
O Queen?
Maka.
Ang tawag mo kasi
Kaya, Maka, Mara.
ang tawag mo kasi kanya ni Pati, Maya. Sabi ko,
Walking with Mindy. Walking with Mindy. Ayan, makulimlim lang po pero maganda ang panahon. Ayan. Sabi po nung una sa forecast, today is rainy day. Pero mukhang hindi naman. Sana hindi umulan. Pero hindi naman siguro. Ayan, muwalk po natin si Mindy. Kagagaling na nito sa vet medyo overweight. Galing sa winter. Kailangan mag-walk and walking. Excited na excited pag unang labas. Excited. Of my niece's smile and the twinkle in her eyes are catchy. Our adventures makes me smile. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, push that notification bell and share. Maraming salamat po. To God be the glory.